Hi friends, it's me Mounir, marhaba. In today's video we're gonna be testing out the palette from Benefit, Party Like a Cocktail. Let me just take it out of the packaging. The packaging is so cool. You have all that's in the palette right on the packaging with the names and everything. In here you have lip color, lip shine, eyeshadow, blush, another blush, and bronzer. So the palette comes like this with beautiful colors between green, blue, red, yellow, as you can see. And then when you open up the palette, you have on the bottom row blush, another blush, dandelion, California, hula lit and hula, the two bronzers, and then you have lip colors here, the glosses next to them, and then you have the four eyeshadows, which are from Inner to Outer, Pearl's Night Out, In Your Tangerine Dreams, Hey Coral Friend, and Hot Copper. So that's everything that comes with the palette. You have as well a little booklet here, which inside you have two looks, Fun and Flirty. The first one here, it's called Fun and Flirty, and then you have Vava Vibrant, which we will be doing on one side of the face, this one, on the other side, the other one. So without waiting, let's get to the video. So I'm gonna start as I start all my videos. You guessed it, Bobbi Brown Vitamin-Enriched Face Base on my beauty blender all over the face. So a little goes a long way with this primer. My sponge was getting dried up, so I got my Evian spray just to wet it when I need to use it. For the base, I have two mini Benefit Pore Fessional, which I haven't used in like forever, but I used to love this primer. This one is very, very dirty and has no lid, because why would it have any lids? It's disgusting. And oh no, it's not empty. Yay, I got some. So I'll put only on the areas where I need to cover any pores. Now I remember why I stopped using this. It's very thick. God. So you have to work it very well into the skin to make it smooth. There we go, empty. For foundation, I'll be using today the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation, which I haven't used in a long time too. And I'm very excited to use it again. I think it's dark, it's a little bit dark on me because I used to be tanner before. Not anymore. Foundation brush from Morphe, the Y6. I find that this foundation applies with a brush much more smoothly than with a blender or with a sponge, if you will. I love this foundation. I stopped using it because it's very drying to the skin, but with a hydrating primer as the Bobbi Brown, it works very well. And you don't need a lot, a little goes a long way. For concealer, I'll be using the Benefit Boiing, which I haven't used as well in a very long time. So on a concealer brush, I'll take some and just plop it on there. Plop, plop, ploppity plop. I need so much more. Try to cover my brows with this as well because it's peachy, so it has good covering effects. Yes, I'm gonna damp my beauty blender with a lot of water. Just remove the excess. Yes, so I'm gonna take my blender and just blend away. Go away. There's a fly in the room. It's making so much noise. This is not a collab, bitch. Leave. So now we have our base. We're gonna go to powder. And for that, I'll be using the Peach Perfect. So for around the eye, under the eyes. So much noise. God. Shut up. There we go. Now for the whole face, still with the Too Faced powder. And we go to town on that. Oh my god, there's a spider in front of me. It's dangling down. Shit, you can see it. Oh my god. Leave. Leave. It's still dangling. Oh my god. These? No. Oh, no, it's still here. Leave. Sorry about that. sucks. What do you mean? Shut up! This is stupid. Stupid! Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and dust away the powder, the excess powder, so nothing looks cakey or anything like that. Oh, it's making so much noise. You know what? I'm not gonna do both looks. I like this one better. I like the Vava Vibrant better, so I'm gonna do only this one all over the face because I don't care. To start, we're gonna go to bronzer. So they're saying hula, sides of the nose, beneath jawline. I have my beard, so I don't need that. Below cheekbones. So we're gonna start, gonna mix both colors, and we're gonna go cheekbone. Oh, that's pretty. It's less orangey than the hula one because there's the hula light, which breaks away the oranginess of it all. But I do love the hula benefit bronzer. I've always loved it, and I always have it in my collection. Always. Whenever I run out, I buy it again and again. Other side of the face. You kind of need a lot for it to show up. They don't really say forehead, but I'm gonna put on my forehead because the fuck? I can't not bronze my forehead. I need to make it look smaller. I need to. I don't know why I'm in a mood today. Really. Now we're gonna bronze the nose. And yes, I do bronze my nose. Stop judging me. Now we're gonna clean up the nose, still with the Too Faced powder, just to sharpen the bronzing. And that's how I contour my nose. I know it looks weird now. Don't worry, I hope it's gonna look better. Now for the blush, they want me to merge California with Dandelion together on apples of cheek. So we're gonna take both. I'm not a fan of the Dandelion one. It's very light on me. It looks grayish, but maybe the other one will do the trick. I can't see it. Okay, I'm gonna go only to the other one. Dig in. This sucks. But I can't see it, so I'm gonna maybe change the brush. I don't know. I need color. Give me. Okay, now I can see it. We're gonna just stamp the color on and hope for the best. That's pretty. That's pretty. I like it. Do you hear my dogs? They're really nice. They're very sweet. Yes, give me more. More noise, please. So I'm gonna dust away the powder around my nose. And there you have it. The perfect contour. Damn, stupid. I'm actually loving the blush. It looks so good. I'm just gonna make sure that the bronzer shows up because it kind of went somewhere. It's no longer on my face. I'm taking only hula because I want the dark part to show up. Now it's showing up here to stay. Now I'm gonna blush my nose, still with California. I like to have a blushy nose. This smells good. No, my brush smells good. How does it look? Looks good. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Before going to the eyes, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 02. Oh, that's too much. God. Ooh, that was a spray and a half. Let me just take away the excess sprayage. And now we're gonna go to the eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Modelsown eyeshadow primer right on the lid. Then take it out with my finger all over. I'm just gonna set it with my powder so it doesn't crease. So I'm gonna follow along to create this masterpiece. Let's go. To start, I'm taking in your tangerine, and this is gonna go, just gonna wear just up my crease. So just to let you know, all the colors in this palette are shimmery, so I don't know how this actually going to work, but I'm gonna try my best because you can't really blend shimmery colors. They just stick wherever you put them on. You shall see. So that's the first. I don't know, you can't really see it, but it's on there. I can see it, but I don't think you can see it. Can you see it? Do you know Grace Halbeck here? I love her. You see that? You see? I told you I'm in a mood today. So that's done, I think. I don't know. Is it done? Should I go more? No. Okay, I will. Let me go some more.
Some more.
Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Hey Coral Friend is gonna go on the lid. So all over the lid. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. I like it so much. Let me just pick some more and try to blend into my crease. Okay, I'm in love with this color. It looks so pretty on the eye. So pretty. With a detailed brush, I'm gonna take hot copper and we're gonna run it across our crease to darken it out. Make sure that the color stays in the crease and it doesn't go on the lid or up, because I think it's gonna be very hard to clean. Now I'm gonna just connect this from the outer corner just to get that smoky effect. There we go, some chocolate looking poop. I'm gonna take Hello Coral Friend again just to blend out all of this. How does it look? Is it pretty? Tell me I'm pretty. What's happening to me? Yes or no, I don't know. So I'm gonna take now Pearl's Night Out, and this is gonna go on the inner corner. There's no color on the bottom lashes. The hell? I'm gonna run Hey Coral Friend on my bottom lashes. I look like I have pink eye and I like it. This is actually pretty. I'm not mad at this at all. Let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. Done! For mascara today, I'll be using the Amplified Mascara by Primark. Color is black. €1.50 for mascara. I don't know what's in it. I try not to think about that. You know what? This is a good ass mascara. I mean, it's cheap, it's really black, it's not globby, it's not spiry, it looks so good. So I used Pearl's Night Out and Hey Coral Friend in my waterline and it looks cute. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to contain myself. Bottom lashes. I mean, you see the results, it's really good. I'm gonna try to highlight my face with Pearl's Night Out. This is a very pretty highlight color. Pretty. It's really light on me, but I don't mind. It looks really good. Now to finish the look, I'm gonna start with the lip color called Don't Blow a Fuse EI. So I'm gonna take a brush, scoop some of this goop onto my brush and go on the lips. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's not very opaque. You do need to build it up. Now I'm gonna go to Young, Wild and Coral, which is the first one. And this is gonna go in the center. Ooh, that's pretty. To finish the look, I'm gonna take Nice Watermelons, which is the gloss. I'm gonna take it on a brush, goop, 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 and plop it on my lip. Now that's done, Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh all over the face. Sorry about that, I was saying the name wrong from the beginning. Party Like a Flockstar. The review of the Benefit Party Like a Flockstar is done. So, is it worth it? I don't know. So you decide. So you have the blushes, the bronzers, eyeshadows, and lip products. I do like the look. The final look looked really good. There is only one matte color in the eyeshadows, so you're gonna have to use another just to blend out, because I couldn't really blend out the eyeshadow because everything is shimmery around it. But it still looks good, and that's what matters. So I don't know, is it worth it? For me, yes, because I kind of think it looks cute and it's a very nice collectible to keep in your collection. And if you're traveling and you don't want to take a lot of makeup, this is really good for traveling because you have everything that you might need right on your fingertips in the same palette. There you go. So you decide for yourself if it's worth it or not. Okay? I'm hoping you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Don't hesitate to share the video. Thank you. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!